Understanding protein in the diet.
Protein is an essential nutrient for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining healthy muscles. While it plays a vital role in the body, many people wonder if there's such a thing as eating too much protein. Let's explore what current research says about high-protein diets and potential risks.
How much protein do you really need?
Most adults need about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Athletes, older adults, and people recovering from illness may benefit from more, but extremely high intakes are usually unnecessary for most. The body can only use so much, and excess protein typically gets converted to energy or stored as fat.
Risks of consuming too much protein.
Very high protein diets can put stress on the kidneys, especially in people with pre-existing kidney conditions. Excessive intake may also lead to dehydration and loss of calcium from bones. Some high-protein diets encourage eating lots of red and processed meats, which have been linked to certain health risks if consumed in excess.
Common myths about protein.
A common myth is that eating large amounts of protein will automatically build more muscle. In reality, muscle growth depends on both adequate protein and strength training. Another misconception is that high-protein diets instantly damage healthy kidneys. Research shows that healthy kidneys can handle higher protein intakes without harm.
Balanced approach for optimal health.
For most healthy adults, moderate protein intake as part of a balanced diet poses no risk and supports overall wellness. Focus on a variety of protein sources like beans, fish, poultry, nuts, and dairy. Always consult a healthcare provider before making major dietary changes, especially if you have health concerns or kidney issues.